Learning to the Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Mesachas Kerisus Peri Gimel Mishnah Gimel the Kama Yisha Ha'oichen. How long is considered a hefsek not to be mitzdaref to achilas, like achila of a chatzi zayis and achila of another chatzi zayis? It's a machlekes tanoim. Ki ilu ochun kloyus devir ameir. Ameir says that Rashi explains that we're mashar as if what he's eating is put into many small pieces, like the pieces of wheat, and the derech to eat that is one by one. And as long as he's eating straight, even if it goes for longer than a kedei achilas pras, you would be chayiv. The Gemara comes out that Rameir is machmer, that even more than a kedei achilas pras, you're going to be chayiv as long as you're eating it straight. However, Chachamim say ad, that's the diak of the Gemara, that Chachamim are being mekel, that you're only going to be chayiv sheyishem mitchila va'atzoiv kedei achilas pras. That if from the entire eating, from beginning until the end, is the amount that it takes to eat a pras. A pras means a half of a kikar. How much is the share of a kikar? So it's machlekes tanoim. Rashi brings the shita that a kikar is a third of a kav, which is 8 bayim. So half that is 4 bayim. The Rambam goes that it's 3 bayim, meaning that you have to eat your entire kazayis within the amount of time that it would normally take to eat 3 bayim. The Mishnah continues, if someone eats food that's tamei, or he drinks liquid that's tamei, so in these cases, there's a gzeira in Sechas Shabbos, the Yudches Davar, that becomes nifsal melechol truma, that this person cannot eat truma anymore. Or shasar revias yayin v'nichnas hamikdash, a person drank a revias yayin and he went into the Beis Hamikdash. Tosfos says that Pirish va'avad avoda, and he did the avoda, but knisa b'loy avoda, you wouldn't be mechayiv alone. The Tosfos Yantiv brings down from the Rambam that there is a isser even without doing the avoda. Al Kopanim, for these three things, the Mishnah says Vishah is going on all these 3 things. That if the achilas Tameim, the eating of the oichlin tameim, or the drinking of the mashkin tameim, even by drinks, as we were in this Mishnah, took longer than kedei achilas pras, or the revius yayin legabe being shikar going into the Beis Hamikdash is more than kedei achilas pras. So then you are going to be pater. But if it's within kedei achilas pras, that's when we say that you nifsa lecha b'truma, or you are chayiv. However, Rabbi Eliezer argues and says, "Im hifsik ba, oishin osam l'seichem mayim kolshu pater." That if you are mafsik, even a drop, or you added water, is going to in the case of shasar v'yis yayin. Both of these cases are going on shasar v'yis yayin. So then pater, because he holds Gemara darshans as dafka kederech shakrusay. But if you're mafsik a drop, or if you nosam l'seichem mayim, even a drop, then you're going to be pater. And the Gemara paskins like Rabbi Eliezer. Tiferes Yisrael brings down what we mentioned, a drop, that by shtia, even though the Mishnah is mavur that it's kedei achilas pras, the Rambam, Macholos Asuras Perik Gedalat Halacha Ches, says that the shir is kedei shtias shir avias. Mishnah Dalid, Yesh Eichel Achila Achas V'Chayiv Aleh Arba Chatois V'Oshem Echad. This Mishnah is brought down in several Gemaras, that a person could eat through one Achila be Mechayiv 4 Chatois and 1 Oshem. What's the case? Tomei She'achas Achelev. So Chelev is 1 Chatas. If he did all these things b'shegeg, V'Hayu Noiser, and it was Noiser, so that's another Chatas. Min HaMugdashim, so Nana Min HaHekdesh would be an Oshem. Because he's a Tamei Sha'achal Kodesh, so now he's Chayiv a 3rd Chatas. Ubiyom Kippurim, and it was Yom Kippur, so that's the 4th Chatas. The Gemara asks, Name Isser Rameir Isser Chal Al Isser? So the Gemara says, no, he doesn't hold of Isser Chal Isser, but Isser Koilo, Isser Moisef Islay. And all these things are either in Isser Koilo or Isser Moisef, as the Gemara goes through, that the Tamei is adding on the Isser even on the part that's not Chelev. And when you're makdish it becomes even Isser Bahana. when it becomes nicer, then it becomes Isser even Asal L'Gvaya, not only Asal L'Hedje, and Yom Kippur becomes Isser even L'Gabe the Chulin. So in all these things, it's either Isser Moisav, Isser Koilo, so you're going to be Chayiv 4 Chatayis and 1 Ashem. Rameir Omer, Afim Haisa Shabbos, V'Haitzi B'Piv Chayiv, you could have a case of Haitzah, if it was on Shabbos and you carried it down in your mouth. Or Maloi, Einem in Hashem, you're right, and a Chanami, but we're not counting all the possible Chatayis, we're only counting that which comes through Achila.